What should we do today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Today let's do some math.
Okay.
You know what is math?
No.
You know what is addition?
Yes.
What is addition?
I don't know what this. I don't know.
Okay. What is this?
White.
White and?
One.
Is this one?
Yes.
Okay. What is this?
Two.
Two.
Green.
What color is that?
Green.
What is this?
Brown.
And?
Three. Oh, look, M.
And? Oh yeah, that is M. And that is 3. What is this?
4. And yellow. 4 yellow.
Oh, yellow.
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
5 gray. 5 gray.
5 gray.
Mm-hmm.
This.
6 gray. Matching.
Yeah. What is this?
Brown.
And?
7. This seems to me 1.
This seems to be 1, yeah. What is this?
8 green. Same.
Yeah. What is this?
9. No. Yellow.
And this?
White. White 10.
White 10. Alright. So you know 1 to 10? Now,
I know all of the colors.
you know all of the colors? Okay. Now let's see. Do you know these are different heights?
Yes. These both are small and these all are big.
Okay. What should we add to 9 to make it 10?
I don't know.
Try. What is 1 plus 9?
1 plus 9. Like this.
Yes.
Look at this there.
But
I'm really
if
funny.
you do, if this is 9 and this is 10, if we add it here, what?
10.
Yes. What does that mean?
10.
9 plus 1 is 10.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you do similar with 8? What should we add to 8 to make it 10?
1.
Try. Is it 10? Is it 10? See, is it the same height as 10? Now, what should we add then?
We need 4.
Try. It's bigger. You need to make it the same height as 10. The same. Is it the same?
10.
Yes? So, 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. Right? Let's do with 6.
Okay.
Let's do with 6. Is this 10? No. Is this 10? So, 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10. Can you do 6 plus something else? And see if you can make 6 plus something else is 10. No, just one number. 6 plus just 1.
It's not 10.
It's not 10. No, that is 10. We have already checked that, right? But can you do 6 plus something else? 6 plus 4.
It's same height.
6 plus 4 is
10.
10. Okay? Let's try something else. Let's try what is equal to 9. If we do 6 plus what is equal to 9?
Same height.
6 plus 3 is equal to 9.
Same height.
Same height. Three plus two. Yes? 3 plus 2 is?
5.
5. Yes.
One white, green, 2 and brown, 3. 4 yellow.
Nice. Say bye now.
What?
Say bye now.
Bye.